Here's the folder that he would have downloaded and extracted, called Eclipse Portable. For him to find the software, he opens up the folder. He can go to App, to Eclipse, and then double click on Eclipse. He's done this many times prior to class. Okay, once it opens, he needs to create a new Java project, which is what I sent those instructions on last time. So he'll go to File, New, Java Project. This is where he'll name it. Okay. He will then come down to Next, up here to Libraries, and then we want to click on Add External Jars. Okay, and then he needs to find that Becker file that he downloaded also. So he will click on it, select Open, and then you'll see that it's in there. He'll click Finish. Okay, and then ignore these two, but you'll see this one right here. So for him to create a new program, he clicks on the drop down arrow. He wants to right click on his SRC folder, New Class. This is where he would name it. This is where he would check the public static void if this was going to be a main or not, and he should know when to include this or not to include this. Then we get a program. He knows to type in import becker.robots.star semicolon, and then he knows how to start formatting his program. So this is where he usually gets to. These are where he would come to work on the program that is on Schoology. I hope this helps. Thanks.